Flaky, buttery puff pastry is the ultimate shortcut for making croissants. These ones are filled with chocolate hazelnut spread and raspberry jam, making them especially simple and irresistible. Set your oven to preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll start on the pastry. Unfold one 17.25-ounce package of thawed frozen puff pastry onto a lightly floured surface. Let's cut each sheet into thirds along the fold lines. Then lightly roll each strip out to about 16 inches in length and cut into thirds. You'll have a total of 18 rectangles. Spread chocolate hazelnut spread using about a total of 6 tablespoons onto 1/2 of each rectangle. We're leaving a 1/2-inch border around the spread. On top, let's add all fruit raspberry jam. You really want to pick the best tasting jam you can find, or maybe even make your own. We're using about a total of 3 tablespoons. To help the croissants stay together while baking, brush the edges with 1 beaten egg and fold over the pastry, enclosing the filling. Press the edges firmly to seal. Use a fork for a decorative look. Before you bake these, cut 5 slits across the top of each pastry with a sharp knife. This will allow the steam to escape while they bake. No oven explosions here. Transfer the pastries to baking sheets, spacing them about 2 inches apart, and bake in the preheated oven until golden brown, about 18 minutes. Resist the urge to bite into these raspberry pain au chocolat right away. Rather, cool them completely on racks and make yourself a nice cup of tea. By the time the tea is ready, these croissants will be cool enough to get a dusting of confectioner's sugar. Dig in.